Imagine for a moment a quadratic equation. Its roots are 1/3 and 1/4. But what is this equation, you ask? Well, let's embark on a journey to discover it together. First off, remember that roots of a quadratic equation are solutions to the equation. They are the values of x, for which the equation equals 0. So if 1/3 and 1/4 are roots, it means when we substitute these values into our equation, the equation equals 0. Now, consider the standard form of a quadratic equation. X squared minus sum of roots, x plus product of roots, equals 0. Here, the sum of roots is the sum of 1/3 and 1/4, and the product of roots is the multiplication of 1/3 and 1/4. To find the sum of roots, simply add 1/3 and 1/4. This gives us 7/12. To find the product of roots, multiply 1/3 and 1/4. This yields 1/12. So, we substitute these values back into our standard form. The result is x squared minus 7/12 x plus 1/12 equals 0. However, it's more appealing to have a whole number as the coefficient of x squared. To achieve this, we multiply the entire equation by 12. This gives us 12x squared minus 7x plus 1 equals 0. And there we have it, our quadratic equation. So to summarize, we started by acknowledging that the roots of our equation are 1/3 and 1/4. We then utilized the standard form of a quadratic equation, which is x squared minus sum of roots x plus product of roots equals 0. We found the sum and product of our roots and substituted these into our equation to obtain x squared minus 7/12 x plus 1/12 equals 0. Finally, we multiplied the entire equation by 12 to get 12x squared minus 7x plus 1 equals 0. And that, dear friends, is the fascinating process of finding a quadratic equation when the roots are given.